You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these words. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary from English and literature in particular, more pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. I got many more videos to suggest to you to learn much more. The top word here is poem. How to pronounce poem. Poem. Stress on the first syllable. Who writes a poem? It's a poet. Poet. Poet versus poem. Did you get this? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.